In an earlier video, I explained about why we need fiber, how fiber keeps our gut microbiome healthy. But what are the sources of fiber? What is the daily requirement of fiber? Good morning. This is Dr. Padma from Pledze. And today we're going to be talking about what are the various kinds of fiber, what are the sources of fiber in our food, and much more. There are several types of fiber. Each works differently in your body and gives you distinct health benefits. Fiber is mostly found in plant foods including vegetables, fruits, legumes, whole grains, nuts, and seeds. It's estimated that our ancestors consumed more than 100 grams of fiber a day when they were eating mostly vegetables and fruits as their main meal. The recommended intake is at least 38 grams for men and 25 grams for women. However, most people are only eating around half of that, around 15 to 17 grams per day. Fiber is divided into two types, soluble and insoluble, depending on its solubility in water. Soluble fiber blends with water in the gut and forms a gel-like substance. Imagine a gel-like substance passing through your gut and binding to fat and LDL, the bad cholesterol, and flushing them out of the body. Soluble fiber can help in keeping you full for a longer time and also helps in regulating blood sugar. Examples of soluble fibers are inulin, gums, pectins, psyllium, and beta-glucans. Inulin, found in raw bananas, garlic, onions, and asparagus, as well as in wheat, barley, and rye, can slow down the stomach emptying and suppress the appetite signals in the brain, which could help you in eating less. This also means that it takes longer for your body to absorb the sugar from the foods that you eat, helping in preventing blood sugar spikes. The fiber increases the amount of beneficial bifidobacteria and lactobacillus bacteria in your gut. Pectins, the other kind of soluble fiber, can be found in relatively large amounts in foods like apples, citrus fruits, carrots, and potatoes, and in smaller amounts in legumes and nuts. Beta-glucan is another gel-forming fiber that's fermentable by our gut bacteria. It can be found in oats and barley. The cholesterol-lowering effect of oats is due to the presence of this beta-glucan, which makes it very viscous in our gut and helps in driving the cholesterol out of our gut. Psyllium, another soluble fiber, helps in relieving constipation by softening the feces. It also forms a handy gel that binds to sugar and helps to prevent the reabsorption of cholesterol in the digestive tract. It's naturally found in fruits, berries, seeds, oats, oat bran, beans, peas, barley, flax seeds, berries, soybeans, bananas, especially the raw bananas, oranges, apples, and carrots. Insoluble fiber, on the other hand, does not dissolve in water and passes through the digestive system mostly intact. It functions mostly as a bulking agent and may help in speeding up the passage of food and waste through your gut. Example of insoluble fibers are lignin and cellulose. Lignin is an insoluble fiber that's part of the cell wall structure in plants. Food sources of lignin include whole grain foods, wheat and corn bran, legumes like beans and peas, vegetables like green beans, cauliflower, zucchini, fruits such as avocado, unripe bananas, and nuts and seeds. Like lignin, cellulose is also a primary component of plant cell walls, and many vegetables such as broccoli, cabbage, kale, and cauliflower are rich sources of cellulose. Cellulose is also found naturally in nuts, whole wheat, whole grains, bran seeds, edible brown rice, and skins of vegetables. While water solubility is one of the properties of fiber by which we differentiate them into soluble and insoluble fiber, there are other properties also, such as water holding capacity, ability to bind to other materials, ability of our gut bacteria to ferment the fiber effectively, which are important as well. So fermentable fibers are also another kind of fibers which are both soluble and insoluble fibers, which are very good for our friendly gut microbiome and can be fermented by them. They include pectins, beta glucans, gum, inulin, and oligofructose. The best food sources of fermentable fibers are beans and legumes. A 1 cup serving provides up to half of the recommended daily intake of fiber. Fiber is nature's way of keeping our gut clean and us healthy. It is best to eat a variety of fiber rich foods every day, like vegetables, fruits, legumes, whole grains, to get the immense benefits of fiber and to keep us healthy. Thank you.